Hey, what's up guys? I'm from BSc Tech with another video, and today's video is about how to fix the lag or the buffering problem, especially with the first and the second generation of Firestick TVs. So we have a Firestick Lite, and today I'm going to show you something different. So you have to use your Samsung TV remote, not the Firestick TV remote today. Click on the settings and then look for support. Remember, different televisions or TVs will have different settings, but we have to jump to the HDMI connection area. So in Samsung series 7 or N, we will go inside support section and then click on self-diagnostic. Then we will select signal information. Remember this, we will select signal information. This could be different on different tellies depending on the model and the brand. So here we have the HDMI 2, which is selected by default with the source resolution of 60p, and it's set to 1920 by 1080. So let's select signal history. Now you see the signal history page shows you the information below, shows the record of signal problems for the currently selected external devices. Remember guys, we are using external device with the help of HDMI connector, which is directly attached with one of your HDMI ports. You've done all the rebooting stuff and resetting and changing the port and changing the Ethernet connection to a faster one from Wi-Fi, switching between both, resetting your device. If none of them work, then try this one as well. So once you select that, let me show that again so you don't miss that. Click on the settings page, scroll down, general. Sorry, I missed it. Let's say go inside general. Then we have support, self-diagnosis, signal information, signal history, signal information. Click on signal history, then click on HDMI delay level. You will see basic. You can change it to slow 1 or slow 2 and give it a reboot. Once you do that, then you can restart your television and unplug from the mains wall for good 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back again, then power it on, then try to change the source to number 1. For example, here we have 3 options: self-diagnosis, and then we will click on signal information, then we'll signal history, HDMI delay level. It's set to slow 1. You can try slow 2, or you can revert back to basic if that does not help. This will definitely fix your slow buffering issue or the buffering issue or the lag problem, especially with the Fire Sticks. Any questions or feedback, do let me know, and also let me know if this sorted your problem. Take care. Bye bye.